Unit 6. Let's go. Lesson 1. Vocabulary. Lesson 2. Grammar. Transportation. Transportation. Car. Car. Boat. Boat. Train. Train. Bus. Bus. Bike. Bike. Plane. Plane. This is a plane. This is a plane. This is a bike. This is a bike. This is a bus. This is a bus. This is a train. This is a train. This is a boat. This is a boat. This is a car. This is a car. Fast and slow. Fast, fast. Slow, slow. The car is fast. The car is fast. The bike is slow. The bike is slow. The plane is fast. The plane is fast. The boat is slow. The boat is slow. Big and small. Big, big. Small, small. The car is small. The car is small. The bus is big. The bus is big. The train is big. The train is big. The bike is small. The bike is small.